Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by recording the starting point. Duplicate the background and take a snapshot in the history panel so you can paint back to that exact state. Next, switch to the history brush tool and choose the snapshot as your source state. Set mode to normal or overlay depending on effect, then set flow and opacity low for subtle rebuilding. Once done, position the brush, check hardness and size, and prepare to restore areas selectively by painting over pixels you want to revert. You now focus on controlled restoration. Zoom to 100% and adjust brush hardness for edge fidelity. Paint with low flow to build the effect in layers. This prevents abrupt transitions and lets you fine-tune the intensity. If areas overlap, change opacity or use short strokes to blend seamlessly. Once you need different blending, try lighten or darken modes to match tones, and use layer masks or lock transparent pixels to confine corrections. This keeps the original composition intact as you refine. You finish by creating a final snapshot to compare before and after. Make small adjustments rather than large rewrites. If you want non-destructive work, apply the history brush on a duplicated layer and use masks to reveal corrections selectively. Make sure to zoom out and check overall contrast and color balance, then flatten or export when satisfied. If things go wrong, immediately undo, reduce flow or opacity, or recreate the snapshot. This lets you restart from a clean mid-process state without losing prior progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.